My name is Hakim Ibrahim. Today I will present for the English. It's about the clock. The clock is a style of computing where basic, scalable, and elastic IT-related capabilities are provided as a service to external customers using internal technologies nowadays. So what's new in the cloud? First, precision model. It is based on purchasing of services. Second, business model based on pay for use. It means that we pay for what we use in our organization. Third is access model. Our internet to any device. Fourth is technical model. Scalable, elastic, dynamic, multi-tenant, and shareable. Okay. There are three basic service delivery models that together create the cloud. Categories vendors and services provided according to cloud computing architecture types. First, software as a service SaaS. SaaS means a software deployment model whereby a provider license and application to customers for use as a service on demand. Later I will explain to audience what is the SaaS. Second is platform as a service. Platform means SaaS. Cloud computing is as a service. Part is delivery of computing platform and solution that as a service. Third, infrastructure as a service. Yes, delivery of computer infrastructure, typically a platform virtualization environment as a service. Alright now, SaaS is most government application internet services such as blogging, survey, Twitter, and social networking such as Facebook. Second is information and knowledge sharing, communication, email, and collaboration for e-meeting. Productivity tools for the office use and enterprise resource planning (ERP). Second is PaaS, application development, data and workflow, security service, single sign-on authentication, database management, and regulatory services. Third is IaaS, for network security, membrane server storage, telecom carrier service, and IT facilities for hosting services. Okay, now how we are handling the cloud environment. So infrastructure. Infrastructure is really mass consolidation, global information grid, capacity services, virtualization, rapid provisioning, and facility analysis. Second is for the software, the network centric services, SaaS and Watchmail. Consensus, security certification and accreditation, CNF, and lastly is for computing services providers entities. Now, users and suppliers of the cloud apply to the service-based environment where components are modular and interoperable. Citizen engagement services are most for internet services, like I said, logging, surveys, Twitter, Web 2.0, information, knowledge sharing, and social networking. Government and user services for communication, email, collaboration for meeting, productivity tools, word processing, spreadsheet. Government application services, such as government application, payment services for to pay, such as MMFU, travel services, and then for business services, such line of business application for HR, claim budget, TOAC, and then supply chain management database. For the part platform services, the user explore directory services, authentication, authorization, single sign-on, database management, workflow implementation, scheduling, application development, testing, and quality assurance. For the IaaS, infrastructure services, server, computing hosting services, storage, network-based services, and central trading services. And the last is for management services, for security, identity, cloud management, and service level agreement. So, what is different clouds will have to exist to accommodate agency needs and security consideration. For citizen cloud, cloud is defined by user access and perspective, not hosting location or data owner. Public cloud, cloud is defined by provider of cloud computing services, not government or commercial. For federal civilian cloud services provide within the established federal cloud environment with government or commercial providers managed by one agency, subscribe to many other agencies. Specific attributes may include greater compliance with federal policy and agency-specific cloud services. What is National Security Cloud? Managed by a DoD, interagency, with government or commercial providers. Federal, state and local government cloud services provided to facilitate enhanced government services, public safety, interoperability, and business operations amongst all American government agencies. Now, what will ultimately be delivered to users? Email, messaging application, productivity software. Software is also been such. Use cloud-based application to enable improved productivity, cost reduction, and ubiquity of services. Example for web-based email solution, allowing functionality such as web folders. So productivity tools work processing for such as Excel and spreadsheet. And then messaging, alert management, email, IM, RSS, web accessible voicemail. And then payment services, the payment for permit and tax, web to pay content and social media blogs, wikis, networking such as YouTube, Facebook. Now, what is issues identified in cloud computing? First is security and privacy. So, develop appropriate waivers and federal, not agency-specific CNA requirements. Modify regulations such as FISMA, FISMA to accommodate cloud computing requirements, databases, and visualized infrastructure. Secondly, technology. Interoperability standards such as formats, protocols, and security policy need to be developed to ensure that services will be truly modular and will work together both within and between clouds. Business model and management. Guidance, including the value proposition, is and best practice. Lessons learned should be centrally delivered to help facilitate agency and government initiatives. Now, this is the server. When email from in the cloud, then it goes to the server, such as educator, and then it goes to the resources, and then it goes to the company issue. That's all. Thank you for the cloud computing.